Itanagar, the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, is a scenic city nestled in the eastern Himalayan foothills. Known for its rich tribal culture and natural beauty, Itanagar blends tradition with modernity. Itanagar also serves as an administrative and political hub, housing the state's legislative assembly and government offices. With a mix of modern infrastructure and tribal heritage, Itanagar offers a unique charm to visitors. Indira Gandhi Park is a well-known public park situated in the heart of Itanagar. Named after the former Prime Minister of India, the park offers a peaceful retreat amid the city's busy life. With lush lawns, shaded walkways and open spaces, it serves as a perfect spot for morning walks, family outings and recreational activities. The park frequently hosts cultural events, exhibitions, and public gatherings, making it a vibrant community space. The park contributes to the ecological balance of the city and promotes public awareness of environmental conservation.